The other coaching classes that I had taken were more like mindset and handwritten notes and really the basics. I did Jared James coaching. I did Brian Buffini coaching. I did several local coaches that I hired over the years, but nothing specific like the $1 Million Agent Method. This is really just gives you all the tips and tricks, the ins and outs, and also how to utilize the tools and resources that I have at my disposal. It just expands so much beyond that and gives you, again, the tools and how to actually do the activities to get the business. 100% a complete package. If you do what the coaches explain and if you follow all the steps, there's no way to not be successful. So my name is Matthew Paul. I work on the Husvar team at EXP in Buffalo, New York. I service all of Western New York and in the Adirondack region, and I do a mix of residential and commercial real estate. On average, I sell about 30 units or do about 30 transactions a year. So the reason why I found the $1 Million Agent Method and was searching for something to increase my business was it was a very inconsistent roller coaster, and I just wanted more consistency with my business. Actually, it was real easy. Once I heard Lars's intro video and once I watched that, I really aligned with his values and his views. I liked the way that he described running his business and having things more on autopilot so that you're constantly, working in the field and growing your business. And I really wanted to get past that 30 transaction or 30 unit number. And I felt after talking with the team there, Jessica and everybody, that the $1 Million Agent Method was the right place for me to go. The biggest takeaway that I've had this far, and it's scheduling your time blocks, making sure that you're hitting your new business development was huge because I really wasn't spending enough time with that. Just by doing that, my business has already taken off. Managing all the business that I have now, I can get everything done much more efficiently, keeping it to a schedule, being less reactive and more proactive. I feel like I'm able to better take care of all my clients and get all the tasks and do, the daily contract timelines met and the follow-ups, and then also keeping in better contact with my current clients. When I would get busy in the past, that would slip through sometimes and I wasn't following up like I should. And now that I'm doing it, my clients are so much happier and they're totally, up to speed on what's going on. So there's less surprises and I feel like I'm putting out a lot less fires. Mark Gioso is my coach. He is always willing to explain how he does it. Every deal is different, but he is a wealth of knowledge and really just helps me think my way through the challenges that come up. He's always saying, always be different. So put your spin on it, be yourself. But if you just follow these steps, you will be successful. And I'm already seeing it. Since I've started, I have a time block with my children, my personal time, my morning routine, and sticking to that has allowed me to feel much better, much less stressed. When I am able to take a break, I can really take a break. I feel disconnected from the business and I actually don't even have my notifications on. So it's not even a distraction anymore, where it was a constant distraction, especially when I went away or I tried to take time off. I would tell any agent that the $1 Million Agent Method is a true foundation for a successful real estate business. Anybody who's looking to really turn their real estate business into a legitimate business, this is where you got to start.